cannot believe this actually worked. Look how nice this looks. And it even tastes good. Now, to be honest, I was really skeptical. I did not think that I was going to be able to do this. But I figured since my friends sent this over for me to try out and to show you, I might as well give it a go. And as you saw, it actually worked. So let me show you real quick what comes in this box and how I was able to use it to make this. Now you get so much stuff in this sushi making kit. I think there's something like 20 different items in here. Now I didn't use all of them this time, but they definitely look like they're all gonna be coming in handy because I will for sure be doing this again. Overall, everything is really easy to use, and we've even got a little guidebook to kind of walk us through all the steps, which I actually found very handy. But I think just for the fact that making sushi just kind of sounds intimidating, and this kit was able to just give me the confidence to try it out and supply me with literally everything I could need to do this, is just really awesome. And yes, I know my sushi fixings aren't the most exciting, but maybe I'll get a little more creative next time. All of the utensils and everything in here are actually pretty nice. And overall, this just made for a fun experience and a really good meal. So if you want to grab yourself one of these, be sure to check out my affiliate link down in the video description.